What's the meaning of consulting room? Consulting room. Consulting room.
Consulting room. Consulting room. A consulting room is a private space where professionals such as doctors, therapists, or consultants meet with their clients to provide expert advice or guidance. It is designed to be a comfortable and confidential setting for one-on-one meetings where clients can discuss their concerns and receive personalized support. Consulting rooms often have amenities like comfortable seating, soundproofing, and privacy curtains to ensure the confidentiality of sensitive conversations. These rooms are an important part of many professional practices and help to create a safe and secure environment for clients seeking guidance and support.